Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your AAA membership to a higher tier with more benefits, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your AAA account by visiting your local AAA club website or opening the AAA mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to My Account or Membership section by clicking on your profile or account settings. Step 3. Click Manage Membership or Upgrade Membership to view your current membership level. Step 4. Review the available upgrade options. If you have Classic, you can upgrade to Plus or Premier. If you have Plus, you can upgrade to Premier. Step 5. Compare the benefits of each membership tier, including roadside assistance coverage miles, number of service calls, and additional perks. Step 6. Select the membership level you want to upgrade to by clicking on it. Step 7. Review the price difference and pro-rated charges. You'll typically pay the difference for the remainder of your membership period. Step 8. Confirm your payment method on file or update it if needed. Step 9. Review the upgrade summary showing your new membership level, benefits, and the additional cost. Step 10. Click Confirm Upgrade or Complete Upgrade to process the change. Step 11. Your membership will be upgraded immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation email with your new membership details. Step 12. Your new benefits and coverage levels are effective immediately, and you'll receive an updated membership card if applicable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.